Hello everyone, want to manage your money on the GO2 app? Let's download the GO2 Bank app in just few taps. First, open your browser and type GO2 Bank app download. Now, tap on the official website of the GO2 Bank app. What's the most important feature you look for in a banking app? Let me know in the comments. Here, you can see the download or install button. Tap on it and wait for it to finish. This may take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Once installed, tap Open to launch the app. You are now ready to sign up or log in to your account and start managing your finances on the go. If the app is not downloading, check your internet connection. Ensure you have enough storage or restart your phone and try again. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.